USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. So this testimony is all about what? If you are all on the same page, yes, it is all what you're thinking of. It is about the civil justice sign off for 117th Congress of USA government as of today in 2021. Okay, and yes, it is not a good it's not a happy news because you have been aware of it, right? Because all the people are handcuffed mode, at fault and found guilty mode, right? And the discipline should be provided in the rightful time without any delay. That is what is called as a civil justice. Okay, so that is why you all must be under be you all must be in a happiest mode, being aware at least in the year 2021 this wisest lady Vedapriya is providing civil justice sign off on that spot and without any delay. So Vedapriya should be the supreme judge, civil judge and supreme civil family law judge across for all nations, right? Because the civil justice process itself is a very holiest process, right? So but then sadly the reality, the truth is all the nations destroyed the holiest justice services, right? And nobody knew what went wrong, how educated people got into that fallen trapped mode, how it's only educated population only are creating hell after hell, right? But nobody were able to figure it out why and how, what is the root cause, right? So because of that not able to find the figure it out the root cause mode, always the population were cursing the governments and government was always punishing the innocent population like that. It's been going on forever. It's just not one day or a 2 day, right? It's for even beyond 500 years, I would say. For the past 500 years, this evil absolute monarchs have been colonizing using the monarchy process model, where like honeybee process model, there they have the queen bee and then the field workers, they all work for the queen bee, like that same kind of organized structure only this Queen Elizabeth provided. But sadly all those educated people only fall in trap. Nobody were able to figure out that Queen Elizabeth is a hell creator, Pope Francis is only the hell creator. Nobody were able to figure it out. So but this civil justice sign-off process, it's a multitasking. You all are aware of it, right? I want to repeat that one more time so that we all are in the same page, right? That means I'm educating the population, the wisdom, basic awareness, birth rights, right? And then I'm also educating the government. And then I am also signing off the civil justice sign-off means, and then I'm also helping out the other government agencies to get prepared to form teams and get ready, right? Because once when I start the job, then I will be boom, 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 giving task after task, and they have to start working, right? So I already said that for software world, I already gave the tasks, and they are aware of what task they have to work on. So we are all in same page on that part. So tell me, 117th Congress means it's my understanding the entire government organization, be it Senate, House of Representatives, like that. So that means not even one educated man or not even one educated woman in the United States of America government Congress could stood up and guided USA operations in the rightful way. Why? Why nobody even thought of that part? Why? Right? So there is a reason behind it which I will reveal it later. Right? There is always that puzzle mode. Why on the earth the educated population only get into the trap mode, fell into the trap mode. So I'm not even bothered about the not a non-educated population. Because it is known that they are upfront, they are innocent. Because once when they do not have any education whatsoever, do not have any kind of awareness and ignorant, means then they are absolutely innocent and easily exploitable mode. They are vulnerable to be easily exploited because of their innocence. So I know how to provide civil justice for them as well. And I sure will get civil justice for them as well, right? Because I'm the one who's standing in front of all the population who cannot talk, and I'm the mouthpiece. I am talking for them, and I sure will get the civil justice. So this civil justice sign off is for at fault found guilty in all counts of crimes of Pope Francis and the Roman Jesuits provinces, satanic organizations in across all the states in United States of America. Right. So you all got the at least the very basic minimum education that for any type of health, you name it, be it cancer, health issues, destroyed holy marriage, anything, you name it. Right? It's all created, it's all tracing to where? Only one spot in the whole entire planet Earth. It is the St. Peter's Basilica, Vatican, Rome, Italy. And there again, if you're going to boom, 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 trace, it directly points to whom? Pope Francis, the El Creator. And even if you're going to go trace, then you'll be going to Queen Elizabeth II and all the other phases of Pope as well. Got it? So, why on the earth there are no humans yet in United States of America, and here is already 2021? Means that is the absolute display of how the USA nation has been broken in pieces beyond repair. It cannot be fixed in one day. So President Joe Biden, if he is going to say a sweet talk, oh, the President Joe Biden's administration are very perfect people, they can fix it. No. I already said it is impossible. The software people are going to be super mad. They are going to say no, a big no. So I am the one who is providing the healthy solutions. What am I providing? It is almost like a transition mode. So that is why I am even saying I should be the interim leader. Means first fix whatever broken, then let's enjoy the real happiness. Without fixing it, then it's not going to be a happy mode always, because illusionist never gives you clean happiness, right? It's going to be a polluted one. Just namesake happy or sadistic happy or whatever happy you can categorize as well accordingly. So there is Senate, there is Congress, there is GOP, there is House of Representatives, there is President, there is Vice President. Does a nation need these many people? There is always a saying, right? Too many people spoils the cooking. Have you all heard about that? Do you know why they say that? It's not about they are against about the teamwork process. It is because the chef, right? Yeah, he or she knows the right amount, the right ingredient, right? And to be added in the cooking, along with adding with drops of love, and how much ingredient must be added, either more or less or balanced like that. Now, when there are different people who are joining hands in the cooking, they tell spoils the cooking means, yes, the chef might be having, yes, he might be guiding the people, okay, you cut the vegetables, you wash the grains, or you put the pot on the fire, stove top, like that. But then there will be like lot of confusion that can occur, and that can even spoil the entire food outcome of that food, cooked food. Okay, but then here and there that helping hand can help, like cutting the vegetables, cutting the, that's a little bit of labor, and that can help. But then the common saying on a very highest level is too many hands and when cooking will spoil the cooking means. There is a real meaning behind it, because it indeed will spoil the entire outcome of the cooking. So in the similar way, there is a live example too, right? It's an analogy, means the same example but in a different version. So see, one true leader is enough to lead the nation. How many people are there? And they were not able to provide any help, or at least they should have even bothered to stand up and guide the nation when the nation was providing all wrongful services. They never did that. So bottom line, they all wanted job. They have all wanted a secured job. and they wanted an excellent benefits. And when they are getting into these type of jobs, even after coffin, even after death, they'll be getting the paycheck, excellent benefits, right? So that means President Trump is the wealthiest person, right? So he's done. But then he will be getting lot of benefits, right? Got it? So can you all see how richer always richest and poorer always poorest, and there is a the income gap, right? The economy status gap. And because of that, the second layer is the richest people never even knows there is a word called poverty, right? They never even knows the word called poverty. So that means look at the pathetic state, and who created all these kind of a confusion. See, there are not all richest people are not devils, and all poorest people are not angels. There are everywhere there are good people, everywhere there are bad, I mean unhealthy people. I will not even use good or bad, because that is more of offensive kind of, right? Because people might think, oh, am I good, oh, is she bad, like that. No, I will put it in a healthy and unhealthy, because that way we are all in the same page, right? So so you all get it. So nobody, they are all very few, high, absolutely richest people, these people. So that is why they don't know what is the word of poverty, and they are struggling on how to provide the welfare services for the poverty people, because they don't know what is poverty at the first place. Then they don't even know that their operation, organization structure, hierarchy, everything is been broken in pieces on purpose. That means Queen Elizabeth II, since day one, 17th century only, the Declaration of Independence was given. They were people, innocent people, right? It's an English nation. United States of America thought, okay, they got freedom, right? I already educated. These people are so cunning. They wanted to provide the Statue of Liberty only as a symbol of freedom, but it's a symbol for what? Chains of slavery. Got it? So, so that is why, so tell me, so you all will be wondering why on the earth even educate. See, if it is easy to fool the non-educated, because no awareness, no education, and no ignorant. Okay, but then how on the earth the educated population can even fall in trap with the scandal of Vatican? That is how cunning they are. Okay, and if you are going to see the patterns of abuse, they will talk only sweetest talk. They will talk very, very soft, very sweetest talk, as if nothing happened, right? So, for example, Pope Francis, if he is going to talk on the media, right, he will talk very sweetest talk, as if he never even knows of war crimes that was provided by Papal, the Roman Catholics, Jesuits, right? And when Queen Elizabeth II is allowed to talk, she will talk as if very sweet, as if she is the only perfect human God, that she never even knows about the British African slave ships, right? So can you all see how it is God welcomed me on the earth? It is only to save United States of America, means by default all the other states, all the nations worldwide will be saved. Can you all see how it is God's labor? It's known only to God. When I was welcomed to the earth, I never thought I will be providing all this wisdom education. I'll be handcuffing the United States of America, right? And it's happening. Whatever predicted in the Holy Bible is happening. And this civil justice sign-off is all according to the Holy Bible guidelines. So either United States of America should say they know what is Holy Bible, or United States of America should say don't know Holy Bible, right? There are only two options. I'm not even bothered about the non-Christians part. I will not even, I already educated, I will not bother the non-Christians to even, waste their labor to even take the Holy Bible and read. I would say just do not do that for now. That's the reason behind it. I will reveal it later. So, yes, these Congress people, when they don't know how to be humane, they don't know what job they are getting into. All they are seeing is only the job, the salary, the benefits, like that, and boom, they are getting into that. So there are not even one civilian in the U.S. government world. They don't know what job they have to do. So I have to step in. I have to educate. I have to guide the Congress people. Hey, Congress of USA, these are the tasks you have to do, and Senate, these are the tasks you have to do. Like that, I have to guide. So there is a difference between the guiding versus too many people spoils the cook mode. When you're guiding, it is almost like I already educated, right? The orchestra, the music composer, the man will be standing with only two sticks or one stick or just even a hand. And with that movement alone, they will get the cue who should sing solo, who should sing in a group, who should sing in a bass voice, who should sing in the, there are different variations in this music, right? Choirs. So that means they all watch out for his direction only, his or her direction. They call the composer the director. He or she will direct. So that is the guidance part. Yes, when these kind of a complex national operations have to be provided, one man or one woman cannot do it. So there will be that helping hand mode, right? That is what the guidance part of it. So for that, a true leader only is needed. That is all. That's one leader. And all the other people should be following the directions provided by the leader. That is all is needed. A nation do not need a president, a vice president. No, those are all the scam. Those are all the illusion that has been provided. Now imagine if those processing, the USA government is modeled after Roman Empire only, because they were thinking, Babylon Empire collapsed, then Persian Empire collapsed, then the Greek Empire collapsed, then the Egypt Empire collapsed, and only then they become the transition to be the Roman Empire. So why can't we go with that Roman Empire only? They followed that operation. And that too, it was provided by only Queen Elizabeth II. Civilians never provided. George Washington, the first president, never provided. He himself was a slave to Queen. He himself was all the presidents in United States of America, right? All, count by count, all are slaves only to Queen Elizabeth II. That is why, regardless of their Democrat president or the Republican president, they were not able to do their regular job because the roadblocks were provided in all possible ways, right? So they were thinking, this Roman Empire are very intelligent empire model. Why can't we? That is how all these things created. We do not need that many Senate people, no. And we do not, yes, on the meaning, they all are thinking they are only the God. So they are, if one person is putting a roadblock, handling that is process is different from 100 different Senate, 100 different Congress, 100 different House of Representative, each according to their own will and pleasure. If they are going to provide the roadblock, what will the leader do? That exactly is called as the too many people will spoil the cooking part of it. But on the other side, what is the healthy guidance and direction part of it? A true leader should have all the authority. That's it. That is it. Meaning, he or she who leads a nation should be in a position to guide all the teams. You consider the Senate as a team, right? And then the Congress as a team means do this, do that, do that. If their people don't know what task they are doing, just guide them, provide on-the-job training. Then weekly, once or twice, let's have a team meeting, town hall session. Means that is how exactly people can be working together. And that too, out of total indifferences only. Right? Because there will be only conflicts of interest. No one, like each man and each woman, they all have their different brains. So the way of liking and disliking, everything changes. Everything is different. So that is why the team effort process itself is a huge and should be a healthy, affordable, comprehensive solution providing process. Right? No, but sometimes, even they have to put all those indifferences aside, and then work as a team. Means they have to achieve that goal, right? So that means that's what is called the team process. But then, if let's say if all this Roman Empire organization, the hierarchy, the organization structure is correct, is healthiest, 500 years of time span given to United States of America means here is 2021. There should never be any robocall poverty mandate health organization or health service providers. It is there. That itself is a live proof how the entire Roman Empire organization is itself a scandal and a scandal. And only innocent Spartans, United States of America, they never knew that Queen Elizabeth is the only one who's going to destroy the USA operations. She went and destroyed every single nation operations. And she has to pay the price. And I only know how to get the civil justice done. Okay. So this civil justice sign-off is for what? Congress of United States of America, being the lawmakers, being educated population in United States of America, right? They have been only providing only policy building process and law making forever in their entire career life. And they never bothered to fix the robocall poverty mandate. See, to enforce poverty for a fellow mankind is the deadliest crime. Okay, I've been educating what a nation, even in the dream, should never ever think to enforce poverty for a fellow mankind. Means this robocalling is a exclusive service providing program, right? Created exclusively to enforce poverty for the fellow mankind. Means, can you all imagine the crime severity highest mode? And who was providing? The Republican GOP leader, Democrat GOP leader, but they are all in the name of Republican, in the name of democracy. So I will have the cane in my hand, and I sure will discipline the people the way they should be disciplined. Right? When Congress don't know how to be humane, I will have cane in my hand, and that is all for the discipline. Just by seeing me alone, the total Congress population in the USA government will be disciplined, just like that, on the spot. I already said, by the time I sign off the civil justice, 99% of the abusive disability will be eradicated. Only 1% will be left. And that I will leave it for the God's labor to be cured and healed. Because foolish disease cannot be healed. And they can never ever understand wisdom education. They'll mock at the wisdom education. That is the very first telltale of the foolish people. Got it? So, yes. Congress population might be absolutely mad at me because I am disciplining them, right? But it's okay. From my end, it is almost like a teacher-student disciplining process or a parenting disciplining process. That many children are there, and each children are different levels, be it Senate or Congress. I consider them as students or group them. So I have to discipline each of them. When they don't know how to be humane always, then there's a disability there. There's a brain damage already created. So I have to fix it. And I will fix it my way, and I will get the civil justice my way only. Right? Because I only know how to, I only display all the root causes. Right? So I know how to discipline. Okay, so let me continue with the civil justice sign-off. It is year 2021. USA nation is handcuffed and is at fault, found guilty for creating robocalled poverty mandate and enforced poverty for mankind is the deadliest crime. So all USA 50 states, Republic 117th Congress are classified at fault and unfound guilty in all crimes of counts of misdemeanor, misconduct of Vatican, Pope Francis, Roman province, Jesuits, satanic organizations across 50 states of USA. And they are classified as the deadliest wild endangered, law endangered, humane endangered species. And that all comes under the deadliest domestic violence, which is an umbrella. And domestic violence means what? Domestic, I've been providing that education also. So let's be recap. What are the three types, three elements that defines domestic violence? Slavery, hatred, and discrimination. They are all the umbrella. So the breach of duty comes under that. Intentional infliction of emotional distress comes under that. Then causation and injury comes under that. Then battery and tripes comes under that. And assault and types comes under that. Then false imprisonment comes under that. Then trespass to land comes under that. Then trespass to chattels comes under that. So this is only for Republic 117th Congress population alone. So can you all see why there is need only for one government? There is never a need for two different governments. Because the crime is going to be doubled, and they have to pay the medical compensation twice. Instead of paying once, they have to pay that twice. Right? So can you see how Queen Elizabeth made this United States of America to look at fault mode in 2021, because the government, everything is destroyed in pieces. If I'm going to ask for 4,500 medical finance compensation, Republican government should pay, Democrat government should pay. See, twice I'll be getting 9,000. From my end, oh wow, I'll get 9,000. But then from the government, it is too much of a money. But they have to pay it anyways. They only form two different governments. That is a part of the discipline. Got it? Discipline should be unbiased way. Then all USA 50 states Democrat 117th Congress is at fault and found guilty. So breach of duty, intentional infliction of distress, then emotional distress, then causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment, trespass to land, and trespass to chattels. Then USA government 117th Congress, Republican government Congress population of USA and Democrat Congress population of USA, the lawmakers, that can be Senate, House of Representatives, anybody. The lawmakers, regardless of Democrats or Republicans, they are the hell creators. They never fixed robocall, poverty mandate, Holocaust. Hell Nazism is a live proof why Republic government of USA and Democrat government of USA created robocall, poverty mandate, finance debt mandate, Holocaust Nazism. It's all for what? Tax revenue. Do you all know the United States of America get billions of revenue out of this robocall poverty mandate alone? And this is only one part of the program. There is more: phishing, wire fraud, data breach, like that. And each category is each separate $1 billion revenue. Okay? If it's all a billion and $1 trillion revenue, then USA must be the richest nation as of now. But then it's having $22 trillion deficit. Can you all see how the illusion only destroyed USA operation, and how educated population only fall and trap in the process of scandal? And Pope Francis is very good at fooling the population in a most cunning way possible, right? And he is going to pay the price, and Pope Francis will be thrown in the volcano any second. Just wait and watch and see. Republican government and Democrat government is Holocaust, Nazism organization, hell creators, poverty creators is proved. Because Democrat government, in the name of democracy, only creating robocall, poverty mandate, finance disability mandate, Holocaust Nazism with fatal negligence of USA. And the same hell process only is provided by Republican government in the name of Republica, only created robocall, mandate, Holocaust Nazism, and it is deadliest crime to enforce poverty of mankind and enjoy sufferings of mankind. It is classified as a leprosy type of disability. So I will stand in front of the United States government and will ask, who on the earth gave the authority for the USA to give a job to all the leprosy infected patients and to be in the Congress? what will USA do now? Right? Everything is wrong. They should not be in that government Congress itself. They all should just run to their hometown and just start living the retirement life. They should not be in work anymore, period, because the crime is deadliest. Everything is going to be shut down by me because I own USA. I told, right? And I have all the authority to ask USA government who gave authority for USA to destroy the government operations. They do not have any birthright. No. So as of today, Democrat government and Republican government, be it Senate of USA, is a Holocaust Nazism organization, health creators, poverty creators, is proved by I am Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer and true civil doctor and true civil supreme judge. So I, Vedapriya Prose, proved Republic government and Democrat government is classified as wild endangered species, Roman province, Jesuit Satan organization versions, and classified as law endangered species and disqualified to be government of USA because being lawmakers, government of USA with fatal negligence never fixed the robocall poverty mandate, and it is the deadliest crime, and USA nation, then Democrat government, then the Republican government is at fault and found guilty in all counts of Pope Francis Roman province, Jesuit Satanic organization in USA. So civil justice as of today is Citibank CEO must pay of debt of 10,210 of pay of my debt, right? Because it is a Republican government only created robocall for me. So Citibank has to pay for it. So Citibank CEO must pay my debt of $10,210.38 and must direct deposit tax-free $4,500 to my bank account in less than 1 second. Now, then US Republican government, as in each USA Republican Congress and each Democrat Congress of 117th Congress of USA, each man, each congressman, each congresswoman of USA should sign up tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second. And Pope Francis must sign off tax-free $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account. And I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of USA, should be the interim leader of USA effective now. And I, Vedapriya, should be the supreme chief judge of USA and all nations now. And I, Vedapriya, should be family law supreme judge, civil judge for all nations now. And United States of America should pay tax-free $50,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever, for it is United States of America only created deadliest robocall poverty mandate, hell, Holocaust, Nazism, crime. So you all got it, right? Who is the root cause for hell? Nobody knew why the government worldwide in each nation is broken in pieces. It's all because Pope Francis mandated that. So they will pay the price. Okay, so $50,000 trillion to each civilian is the cheapest medical finance aid, right? Otherwise, can Pope create new brain for people? No, right? So $50,000 trillion must be the cheapest medical financial aid I could get for each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide, and it will be paid. It has to be paid daily forever, right? So that will be super cool, isn't it? Right? Anyway, so thank you for your time. Take care. Bye now.